There's something truly magical about transforming raw ingredients into a delicious meal. The process of taking simple fresh vegetables, meats and spices, and turning them into a symphony of flavors is an art form that has been cherished for generations. Each chop, stir and simmer is a step towards creating something that not only satisfies hunger, but also brings joy and comfort. Cooking is more than just following recipes, it's about creating experiences. It's about the anticipation of a meal shared with loved ones, the laughter and conversations that flow around the dining table, and the memories that are made with each bite. When you cook, you are not just preparing food, you are crafting moments that will be remembered and cherished. It's about nourishing your body and soul. The act of cooking allows you to connect with the ingredients, to understand where your food comes from, and to appreciate the effort that goes into every meal. It's a way to take care of yourself and those you care about, providing sustenance that is both wholesome and heartfelt. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to reach for takeout menus. The convenience of having a meal delivered to your door is tempting, especially after a long day. However, this convenience often comes at the cost of quality, nutrition, and the personal touch that home-cooked meals offer. Takeout can never replicate the warmth and satisfaction of a meal made with your own hands, but I urge you to rediscover the joy of home cooking. Embrace the process of selecting fresh ingredients, experimenting with flavors, and creating dishes that reflect your personal taste and creativity. Cooking at home can be a therapeutic and fulfilling activity, a way to unwind and express yourself. It's healthier, more economical, and incredibly rewarding. When you cook at home, you have control over the ingredients and the cooking methods, allowing you to make healthier choices. It can also be more cost-effective, as you can plan meals according to your budget and reduce food waste. The sense of accomplishment you feel when you serve a meal you've made from scratch is unparalleled. Whether you're a complete novice or have some experience in the kitchen, this essay will guide you to become a more confident and skilled home chef. We'll explore essential techniques, tips for meal planning, and ways to make cooking a fun and enjoyable part of your daily routine. With a little practice and patience, you'll find that cooking can be a delightful adventure. Let's embark on this culinary journey together. By embracing the art of home cooking, you'll not only improve your culinary skills, but also enrich your life with the joy and satisfaction that comes from creating and sharing delicious meals. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. A good set of knives is a chef's best friend. Mastering basic knife skills is essential for efficiency and safety in the kitchen. Learn how to hold a chef's knife properly using a pinch grip for control. Practice chopping, dicing, and mincing vegetables with precision. A sharp knife is a safe knife. Keep your knives honed for effortless slicing and dicing. Cooking is about creating a symphony of flavors. It's essential to understand how different ingredients work together. Salt is your best friend. It enhances the natural flavors of food, but be careful not to overdo it. Experiment with herbs and spices. They add depth and complexity to your dishes. A touch of acidity like lemon juice or vinegar can brighten up your meals. Understanding different cooking methods is crucial for creating a variety of dishes. Master the art of sautéing for quick and flavorful meals. Learn to roast vegetables and meats to perfection. Boiling is great for pasta and vegetables. Steaming is a healthy way to cook delicate foods. Section 5. Building a Foundation: Essential Kitchen Tools. In this section we will explore the fundamental tools that every kitchen should have. These tools are the backbone of any cooking endeavor, whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef. Equipping yourself with the right tools can make cooking a breeze. The right tools not only make the process more efficient but also more enjoyable. Imagine slicing through vegetables with ease or mixing ingredients without any hassle. Invest in a good set of pots and pans, mixing bowls, and other essential cookware. Quality pots and pans can make a significant difference in your cooking. They ensure even heat distribution and can last for years if properly maintained. Measuring cups and spoons are indispensable for accurate cooking and baking. They help you follow recipes to the letter, ensuring that your dishes turn out perfectly every time. Precision is key in cooking, and these tools provide just that. A sturdy cutting board is a must-have. It provides a stable surface for chopping and slicing, protecting your countertops and your knives. Choose one that is durable and easy to clean. Don't forget essential utensils like spatulas, whisks, and tongs. These tools are versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks, from flipping pancakes to whisking eggs or tossing salads. Whisks are perfect for mixing ingredients smoothly, spatulas are great for flipping and spreading, and tongs are ideal for gripping and turning food without piercing it. Remember, you don't need fancy gadgets. While high-tech kitchen tools can be fun, they are not necessary for creating delicious meals. Focus on building a collection of reliable basic tools that you will use regularly. Start with the basics, and build your collection over time. As you become more comfortable in the kitchen, you can gradually add more specialized tools to your arsenal. This approach allows you to grow your skills and your toolset simultaneously, ensuring that you have everything you need to tackle any recipe that comes your way. Section 6. Practice makes perfect, honing your skills. Like any skill, cooking requires practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Start with simple recipes, and gradually challenge yourself with more complex dishes. Invite friends and family over for taste tests and feedback. The more you cook, the more confident and intuitive you'll become in the kitchen. Section 7. The joy of experimentation, developing your culinary voice. Once you've grasped the basics, don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with different flavor combinations and cooking techniques. Put your own spin on classic recipes. Explore different cuisines from around the world. Cooking should be fun and liberating. Let your imagination run wild. From my kitchen to yours, personal anecdotes and tips. Cooking is more than just a skill, it's a journey filled with memories, lessons, and flavors that stay with you forever. I've spent countless hours in professional kitchens, honing my craft, learning from the best, and perfecting techniques. The hustle and bustle of a professional kitchen is exhilarating, and the precision required is unmatched. But some of my fondest memories involve cooking at home with my family. There's something incredibly special about the warmth and love that fills a home kitchen. It's where I first discovered my passion for cooking. I remember the first time I made scrambled eggs for my mom. They were a disaster. The eggs were overcooked, the kitchen was a mess, and I was so nervous. But that moment was a turning point for me. But she encouraged me to keep trying. Her support and patience taught me that mistakes are just part of the learning process. Every failed attempt was a step closer to getting it right. One of my favorite things to cook at home is a simple roast chicken. It's a dish that brings everyone together. The aroma that fills the house, the crispy skin and the juicy meat, it's comfort food at its finest. Over the years, I've perfected my roast chicken recipe and it's become a family favorite. I love experimenting with different herbs and spices, and every time, it turns out a little different but always delicious. Cooking at home is not just about the food, it's about the experience. It's about creating memories with loved ones, sharing stories, and enjoying the fruits of your labor together. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, the kitchen is a place where magic happens. So, don't be afraid to try new things, make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. After all, the best recipes are the ones made with love. The transformative power of cooking. Cooking has the power to bring people together. It's a language that transcends cultures and generations. Sharing a home-cooked meal with loved ones creates lasting memories. It's an act of love and care. Cooking can also be a form of self-care. It's a way to de-stress and nourish yourself both physically and emotionally. Embrace the journey. Becoming a confident home chef. Becoming a proficient home chef is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process of learning and experimentation. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and keep pushing yourself to improve. With dedication and passion, you can master the art of cooking and create culinary masterpieces in your own kitchen. Reap the rewards, the joys of home-cooked meals. The rewards of being a proficient home chef are plentiful. You'll enjoy healthier and more delicious meals. You'll save money on takeout and restaurant bills. But most importantly, you'll experience the joy of creating something special with your own two hands. So, roll up your sleeves, put on your apron, and let the culinary adventures begin.